Hey there tech buddies, welcome back to IMS Coding. So today we are going to learn how to optimize CSS performance with minification and concatenation. Even if your site loads quickly now, these techniques are essential for larger projects. So let's dive in. You can see here is a basic HTML page. See two files here. One is style.css and the second file is style2.css. Now first, let's see concatenation. So to optimize this, we use concatenation, which means combining all these CSS files into one file. So let's see it. So here, from this style2.css file, I'm copying this CSS and then let's paste it in our style.css file. Okay, now let's go back to our HTML page, and from here I am deattaching the style2.css. So let's remove this link tag, and now we have only one CSS file, which is style.css. Although the difference might not be obvious in our small example, in larger projects this can significantly improve performance. So in our case, this HTML page is very small. That's why we cannot see any difference. So this is the example of CSS concatenation. Now let's talk about the next method, which is minification. Minification removes unnecessary characters like spaces and comments from our CSS, making the file smaller and faster to download. So let's see it. So here is our style.css file. Before the minification, notice all the spaces and comments. So to minify this file, we can use an online tool like cssminifier.com. So I'll copy the entire content of this file and then go to CSS Minifier. I'll attach a link of this website in the description. Now let's paste the code here and then click on Minify. At the bottom, you can see the minified version of this CSS. Just copy this CSS and then go back to our style.css file. Then delete this entire code and paste it here. So here is the minified version of our style.css file. Now let's go back to our index.html file. And if I view this page, so you can see the CSS styling is still working, even though the load time improvement is not visible here. Minification is crucial for reducing file size and improving load times in larger projects. So by concatenating and minifying your CSS, you can significantly improve your web page's performance, especially in larger projects. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want the source code, then please do check out in the description. This video is a part of our HTML and CSS Beginners Guide course, so please do check out our playlist. Like this video, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding, everyone.